Today we're going to be trying to rip out the interior out of this hard body to put it into my 720 back there. I do apologize for filming on the iPhone. I wasn't going to make a video on this, but now that I'm thinking about it, you guys always want me to film more stuff, like kind of behind the scenes. So right now, all this nasty stuff out of here, because I'm going to be taking this front portion of the carpet. You can see where it ends right here. It overlaps a little, it's like right here roughly. But yeah, I'm going to be taking this piece right here, and then I'm going to be installing that into this truck. I am going to be dyeing it, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do all that in this video. But just because this truck, when I bought it, sorry if there's wind noise, has no carpet. It has this weird plastic stuff. I know it's a mess in here. But yeah, I really want carpet in here, especially black carpet. So that's why I'm going to be ripping the carpet out of here and dyeing it black in order to make this interior look mint. Because this truck, yeah, I already took a bunch of parts off of it. It's got no fender. No bumper. The motor got rod knocked. I stole the rear axle out of here. You guys remember that video? So yeah, this thing's pretty far gone. So I'm just gonna be taking what's kind of left on this. Obviously, the first step is to get these two seats out. We're gonna be removing this center console piece right here, and then I believe it's just a little plastic piece with an actual bar in the back. I haven't done this in a long time actually. The last time I took carpet out was when I stripped the whole interior out of my drift truck, which I'm going to be sealing the whole entire interior, everything besides the carpet. And I'm saying sealing just because I feel like this is like kind of like when you part out a vehicle, it hurts your soul, you know, because that used to be an entire vehicle and now you're kind of like taking parts off of it, like limbs. I know I'm crazy, but that's just why I say it like that. But I'm not actually stealing this. This is mine. But I'm going to be taking all the leftover parts, probably even the dashboard, because it has less cracks than mine, and then trying to make my drift truck have full interior. I know in the past I wanted to have no interior because I was going to put a cage in it, but the older I'm getting, the more I want a full interior. So I want to put a full interior back in that truck and still do a cage, but I want to do a cage around the full interior because I like that look more. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to wash this before I even test fit it. I'm not sure if it's going to work because I took this out of a hard body. That's a 720. I feel like they should work though because they're both trucks, and when you get carpet kits, they're always usually the same. So it's going to be like almost like a DIY carpet kit, but you know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to wash this, and if it doesn't work for this truck, then I'm going to throw it into my hard body because like I was saying, I want to do full interior back on that truck. So right now I'd rather have carpet in this truck than on my drift truck, so that's why I'm trying to put it in this truck first. But I'm just going to try to wash it real quick. Probably some degreaser to get this hard thing out of here. If it doesn't get too clean, then I'll just put some floor mats in. It's not that big of a deal. I just want to be able to see like this carpet piece right here, just because I hate that plastic that's in that truck. It's looking a lot better than it was, but there's still a little oil stain right here that I'll probably get tomorrow. But yeah, it's coming out really good. Every time I hose it down, there's just a bunch of like mud that just goes down. You can see a little bit right here. There's just a bunch of crap that's coming out of this carpet. This used to be in a work truck, so you know, it has a bunch of oil, mud, and dirt and all that caked up on there. So it's kind of a challenge because you have to do it so many times. But what I've been using is this right here. I just spray that on. I let it sit for a bit, agitate it with this brush, spray some more, and then just rinse it down. And that's what I've been doing back and forth. I don't need it to be perfect since I am going to be dyeing this, but I just want to do the best job I can just so I know that it's nice and clean before I dye it. But I'll continue this video tomorrow. So I got the carpet here. It's now pretty clean, at least clean for the most part. I can't really get it any cleaner because it has like a fat oil stain right there, somewhere like in this little corner. And if I use too much force, I think I'll rip the carpet. So I'm just gonna call it a day and then start to dye it. And I'm gonna be using black paint, so I feel like it'll cover up all that. So I have the carpet right here. It's been drying for a few days. I take it out in the daytime, let it dry, and then I put it back in the garage overnight just so it doesn't get any dew on there. But I'm pretty confident that this isn't gonna, the dye that's on here isn't gonna transfer onto like my pants or my socks if they were to rub on there. And the reason I say this is because my bucket seat, I use the same dye, and I've worn white shirts just to try it out. And even if I sweat, it still doesn't, you know, transfer anything over. So like I said, that's why I'm confident on this. But now I'm gonna attempt to put it into the truck. I didn't dye these spots right here because these go under the dash, so I was like, that makes no sense to waste dye up there, but it's whatever. Yeah, so it's ripped. I already told you guys that. I just wanted to make it look a lot better than what it was because this was pretty much free because I took it out of my other truck. So I wanted it to look better. There was a fat stain right there, got rid of that. You can't even see it. My opinion, this was way better than trying to clean the gray carpet and make it look nice. This black carpet looks nicer, and it was easier to just spray on top of all the gunk and stuff. So there you go, guys. It's now installed in the truck. I did make a video on that, so I'll have that in the description in case anybody wants to check that out. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.